I'm Heather Jeong and I'll be cooking Haemul Pajeon, Korean seafood pancake. Now, many of you think that Korean food is spicy, but for the most part, it's non-spicy and we complement with dipping sauce. Now, let's get cracking. I'm going to make the batter first. I want the flours to be accessible to everyone. So the main flour is plain flour. I've complemented using tempura flour as well as potato starch. I want it to be crispy around the edges. Also a little bit of salt, add water. So the consistency I want is like a thin pancake. Because Haemul means seafood, I'm going to add lots of seafood. And the star of Haemul Pajeon, green onions. There's so much green onions in this savory pancake. So I'm going to add all the fillings. I'm going to cook pancake now. Ladle some of this batter onto this pan and just make sure have a kind of a roundish shape. And just for color, this is a non-spicy chili. I'm about to flip my pancake, so I'm going to use my ladle. Get a sturdy one, quite big, for your flipping. Here it goes. It's good. I'm really happy with the crisp bottom. I think the pancake is done. Just place it on a plate. Korean pancake is really lovely when it's crispy on the outside and sort of soft in the middle. For more delicious recipes, visit Asian Inspirations website or Facebook. Thank you for watching. I'm Heather Jeong. See you for more recipes.